Today we're here with Perry Courto, our Executive Director at the Arc of Madison Cortland. And as promised, we're going to do a little video chat, talk to Perry and get his thoughts on what's going on currently in regard to the COVID-19 pandemic. Perry, can you tell us a little bit about how you're supporting families whose loved ones are not able to go to our day hab programs or our senior programs because they've currently been suspended?
Sure. Thanks, Sue. Yes, we've contacted all of our families that have loved ones that attend any of our day programs, and we've tried to find out from them, what they need, and we're there to support any need that they have, whether it be grocery shopping or anything else that we can do to help out. And again, currently at this time, we've contacted everyone, and we're doing everything we can to support them.
Great. Well, along those lines, what about the staff that were working in those programs? What are we doing with those staff at this point in time?
Well, all the staff that were in the day programs were offered positions with residential, and the majority of them have taken positions in residential, and that's a real help for us because that's a program that we've always had difficulty, fully staffing. So it's been a real help, and the majority have come over.
Great. Well, along those lines also, in regard to talking about the residential programs, what are we doing at the ARC to ensure that the people that we support in those programs are safe and healthy?
Well, safety is our number one concern, not only for the people we support, but for our staff. So we're following CDC and OPWDD guidelines to ensure the safety of the 100 individuals that we support throughout our 16 IRAs in Madison and Cortland County, and also to keep our staff as safe as possible through this awful times that we are having now with COVID-19.
Great. Can you talk a little bit about furloughs and what that may mean for our employees, how that may or may not impact us, and also how that affects health benefits?
Sure. Unfortunately, we've had to furlough some staff. It's been a small number so far, but all the staff that were furloughed were first asked if they could work residential. So they're offered positions with residential, and unfortunately some are unable to or couldn't work the residential program, so they had to be furloughed. And at this time, we are offering medical benefits if they were full-time staff or they had medical benefits. We're paying the medical benefits for the month of April, and we'll get the staff back as soon as this situation is over.
Okay. Well, is there anything else that you would like to relay to our families, the people we support, or our employees at this time?
Well, just to let them know that we're doing everything we can, as I said earlier, about keeping people safe. And I do want to thank all the staff for all they've done through this difficult time, especially our DSPs. Our DSPs are doing a tremendous job in our houses, keeping our residents safe and providing support. And that's a very difficult job, and they're doing a great job. And I want to thank them for all that they've done for the agency and all they continue to do. And hopefully we'll be over this COVID-19 situation as soon as possible.
Great. Well, I know for our employees, if they have any questions, they can be directed to Mandy King, our Director of Human Resources and Staff Development. And I know, Perry, that you have an open door policy and people can email you, reach out to you with questions. And I know that we'll continue with that, and we'll have more of these video chats as people have continued questions ongoing.
I encourage people to ask questions, and if any concerns they have, please let me know, and we'll do everything we can to answer their questions.
Perfect. Well, that's Perry Courto again today, our Executive Director at the Arc Madison Cortland, with our first video chat. We'll do more moving forward. And Perry, we thank you for your time today.
Thank you, Sue.